Hey guys, today I'm comparing Monday.com and Trello, two popular project management tools for teams in 2025. Which one should you pick? Let's dive in. Monday.com is a work operating system that helps teams manage projects, workflows, and tasks all in one place. It's flexible, visual, and great for complex projects with lots of moving parts. Monday.com is more powerful but has a steeper learning curve because of its many features. It offers customizable workflows, time tracking, automations, integrations with popular apps like Slack and Zoom. Monday.com supports large teams and complex projects well, with real-time collaboration and advanced reporting. The paid plans start higher because of advanced features. Now, Trello. Trello uses a simple Kanban-style board approach. It's perfect for teams who want an easy visual way to track tasks using cards and lists. Trello is known for its simplicity and quick setup. Just drag and drop cards to organize work. Trello offers boards, lists, and cards, power apps or add-ons for extra functionality, basic automations with Butler. Trello is great for small to medium teams or personal projects, but can get cluttered with very big teams. Trello's paid plans are more affordable, especially for small teams. So if you want power and flexibility for big teams, go with Monday.com. If you need simple visual task tracking with quick setup, Trello is your best bet. That's the Monday.com versus Trello breakdown for 2025.